Hello everyone, how you guys doing? Here. We're back with another gameplay. I haven't done one of these horror gameplays in a while, so this is called Golgotha. Well, apparently we're not supposed to be here, I suppose. We're walking around with the torchlight. There's not really much information on this game that much. I was going to play Kaliska, the main popular game that's going around, but apparently it crashed 2 times on my PC, so ain't no bloody way I'm playing that game again. Fucking spiders and stuff. No, I'm done with that game. So, I get this new game. This time free on Steam. You can check it out if you want to. You guys ready? I'm not. Let's dive right into it, shall we? Okay, Blackwater Station was overcome by a toxic and poisonous fog that killed thousands of people as they slept in the tunnels, platforms, stationed to escape after the horrific ordeal. The authorities closed the Blackwaters and sealed to the public. The station was officially reopened to the public, but after several freak accidents, unexplained deaths, it was once again closed for good. It has been abandoned and undisturbed for over 20 years. Until now. Okay. Oh. So the reason why the screen's all weird like is because I guess we're watching on security cameras a little bit. That's part of it. I guess the frightening aspect of it. I see some pictures on here. Looks like an entourage, like where people were sick at and stuff. Hold on. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. You gotta give me a minute. That is a high mouth sensitivity. Alright, give me a moment. Alright, everybody, we're back. Finally, we can actually move. It's like about time. What does this say? Sober? Q. Explore the station, find the exit. Press tab for inventory. 1, equip lantern, escape. Okay, so 1 is for lantern. Q, put away. Ooh. We're taking this. You found a lantern. Hell yeah, I did, boy. This gives me the vibes of Amnesia. I still have Bunker Amnesia downloaded. I just haven't played it. If you guys want me to play it, give me 8, 9 likes, and I'll play it for you guys. Oh my goodness! I don't know why I haven't played it. I haven't played Poppy Time yet. Still need to play that. I think I've been saving it for Horror Month. That's probably why. Hopefully it doesn't go up. Oh, okay, I can run. That's good. Good news. Okay, I can't open that door. We're supposed to explore. I go open this. But this is the woman's restroom. Am I a girl? Am I a woman? Shit, what the fuck was that? Shit. What's that in here? Was that a rat? I think that was a rat. Shit. What the hell? Why would there be a letter? Good morning, Terry. We understand that you are aware of what happened on Thursday evening. Everybody here at Blackwater Stations are immensely devastated after hearing the news on what happened to our beloved friend and colleague Bobby Fletcher. Oh shit, someone died? We understand that you were good friends with Mr. Fletcher. We cannot imagine the emotions you're feeling right now. The management team are willing to offer you time for grieving if necessary, time to reflect away from the work environment if required. Please don't hesitate to come and speak to us if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you, Kevin Smith, General Manager. Shit. I'm kind of nervous to turn. Shit. What the fuck? Did you freeze on me? This mother... What is going on nowadays with... Wow. This is what really pisses me the fuck off the most and shit. When my game crashes, someone or something inside of it lurking in the shadows. I guess it's up to us to figure out who it is and what's going on. My guess is it's Mr. Fletcher. Wait, is that her name? No, it's Bobby. Bobby's haunted. But then again, it did say a lot of people died here, so I don't know. It's a tough cookie to unravel. What do you guys think? Damn, my head hurts. I wonder if people actually speedrun this game. There's a telephone. Old school. Look at me walking in the middle like a dumbass. I shouldn't be doing this. Wow. Well, hold up. I'm going to have to go through all that. What? Man leaps in front of train? Lady stabbed to death in station. Oh shit. I'm dealing with a lot of... This place is huge. You guys expect me to... Okay, I'm leaving this open. There's more. Shit. What's going on? I hate the music. Okay, I can't open that. It's locked. Maybe I should shut that door over there. Should I run? There's downstairs. I don't want to go yet. Oh, it's blocked off. All of it. So I can't go over here yet. Maybe I need a key. Oh, wait. Because I only push bar for emergency exit alarm will sound. I have a feeling. What the hell is that over there? Something right there is moving. I'll try zooming in for you guys. You guys tell me if that's moving. I don't think I want to go over there. It says explore over here, so I'm not going to go that way just yet. That's locked. Do not turn on. No! Hold on. Shit, fuck. No. Do I need anything in here? You know what? Fuck this room. Hell no. That radio is going to cause me some trouble. I heard someone groaning and moaning on it. What's that red thing? I'm surprised there's any power in here. This place is huge. Okay, that's a security room. Of course, I need the key. I need bloody key to everything. Shit. There's better not be another closet. There should be a key in here. Probably. Ew, expired milk. Yeah, this is like the loading. Shit, what was that? I can't turn this on. I might go inside that room. This is why you definitely should play Minecraft, because it helps you with the controls. Like later on in the future, if you're planning on playing games kind of like this. Okay, that was probably the radio, actually. Hopefully it was. So there's nothing in the women's restroom but a letter. We read that letter. We're gonna have to go this way, and I do not want to go this way. Where did that thing that was moving go? You know, if I run, I don't know where I'm gonna run to. That's the thing. Shit. I can't run into that closet. Probably into that bathroom maybe, but I still haven't. I think if I go inside the security room, that's it. I beat the game or something like that. Would the security card be down here? Let's try it out. May have to run back up. I'm surprised there's power down here. Hold on. I don't see anything. Sometimes they're like, no, that's not the key. I think this place where a woman got stabbed. Didn't she get stabbed like 15 times? Oh hell no, I heard. What the fuck is that? A reptile? No. Kind of reminds me of the Matrix. Shit. Was that me? Yeah, that was me. That was a little loud. Really? I need another key. What is this? Hold on. What? Oh, I thought that was a hat. You better be up in here. Oh, you gotta be shitting me. Where am I going to find it? None of these are open. Shit. Was that open? It's not open. Wait, is this open? Oh my goodness, it's open. Oh, shit. What the fuck? The fuck? No! I'm fucking over here. What was that? Shit. I heard something running. Fuck, I knew it. I knew I had to run back. Fuck. Oh my goodness. Shit. Okay. Is this a key? Oh shit. As soon as I take it, that's a security card. Fuck me. I'm fucking out here. I'm fucking out. Fuck you guys. Oh shit! Something's behind me. No! Leave me alone. Shit. No, I'm not answering it. Fuck you. You can take a call later. You're only gonna slow me down. Shit, I hear a lot of noise. Let's just stay on the side. Oh fuck. There's a fucking knight over there. Shit. No! Fuck you. Shit. What? Here! Open up. Fuck yeah. Did you close? No! Close, motherfucker! What is this? Are you shitting me? There's a person out there. Is he? Wait, I can't tell. No, he's downstairs. That's a motherfucker. Don't no, I'm not gonna have to go out there. You see that? Fuck this shit. You see that? The thing is that the phone was ringing. If I would stay on the phone, that dude would probably have got me. If I go all the way back downstairs, I will not see that guy again. I'll see something running after my ass. So I call this a win right now. Damn, this is gonna be long. How long I've been playing this game? Oh shit. I don't know if I should keep going. Wait, why are there more sightings? What? These are basically all the places we went to. So that's what's been following us. What, so people were here? They're just taking pictures? Okay. So where's the security officer? Or am I the security officer? Yeah, he's still right there. What the hell was that? I don't know. Should we? Fuck! Shouldn't we have a flashlight? No. Oh, no. That door is not supposed to be open. That door is not supposed to be open. No, I'm done. I beat the whole game. I beat the game. Oh shit, he's gone. He's gone. Fuck. Shit. What the fuck? You don't belong here. I'm not going inside the bathroom. Last time I went inside a bathroom, which was Doom 3, there's a big ass fucking rat in there trying to eat me. Oh shit. You got eaten to a pole. I don't even want to check the others in there. You're saying I don't belong here. That's the train. Someone's on a monologue. There's someone in the figure. There's someone in the door. I need a blunt weapon or something. Can I have a gun, please? If I'm a security officer, I should have a gun, right? There should be a gun somewhere over here. I got a key. I don't know where that thing is at. I bet you it'll be probably on top of the escalator if I had to run back up. Shit. What the fuck? Oh yeah, wow, you tripped me? Thanks, I could have died. I could have. Oh my goodness, you gotta be shitting. What the hell is that thing? Fuck. Fuck. You want me Oh, I don't care. I don't care. Don't listen to them. Come find us, you. Watch, I'm gonna have to probably end up you'll die. It says don't go down there, you'll die. Okay. I'll die if I go down there. Yep, not going down there. Thanks for the heads up. Shit, I had to do this. I don't know who to listen to. I mean, I already been pushed down the escalator, so what could be worse? What? Why the hell am I going down here? Climb down. Okay, I don't see anything. Sewer alligator. Oh shit, who's that? Now what? I hear some rats. Why the fuck am I inside the sewer? That's a question. Oh hell. Oh hell no. I hear whistling. I don't know where else to go. I hear a baby. I can't run or anything like that, so might as well keep going. So this is one spot where I guess they were sheltered at, but they died. Like, no shit, it's like you can't live down here in the sewer. Hello, lovely to see all of you. I'm trying to run. Fuck you guys, no. I don't think so. You go back. You are crazy as fuck, dude. See, look. No one's there. They plan to eat your ass. Oh my goodness. Nice work, Craig Lawrence. Oh, that got me on my toes. Damn. Scared the hell out of me. You guys did really good. Especially scaring the hell out of me with that. Alright, so you guys could check this out on Steam. It's free. Highly suggest you check it out if you want to give yourself a scare and have a little fun. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new, subscribe to the channel, and yes, of course, I'll see you all in the next one.